everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today, i-review natin itong Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. I used this siguro few months ago. Matagal na nagamit ko to. Pero nakalimutan ko kung anong effect nito. So maybe it will be a little bit of first impression. So ito siya. As of this moment, winter dito sa Canada, sobrang lamig, sobrang dry ako. So, gagamit ako ng moisturizer. Kasi kailangan to ng face ko ngayon. And I will let it set for at least 1 minute. So now, let's go back to this product. Let's talk about the packaging. Ito, glass container siya, and nakikita mo kung meron pang product sa loob o wala na, which is a very plus thing for me. And the pump. I love pump sa foundation kasi mas control mo yung pagkuha mo, tapos mas sanitize yung product kesa dun sa binubugot. Minsan napaparami, so you'll end up putting back the product, excess product na nakuha mo. Pero ang downside is that wala siyang cap na ganun. Ang lock niya is ito. Kung gagamitin mo siya, iti-twist mo siyang ganun, tapos yan. Nakikita ninyo na medyo hindi naman siya runny or hindi naman siya liquid. Pero hindi naman siya mousse type. Kasi pag mousse, diba, pinamp mo, lulobo siya. So, yun. Ito hindi naman. Ayan, hindi nga. Thick. It seems to be a thick consistency. So, yun. Gamitin natin ulit yung brush. And I will start on the right side of my face. It claims that it has airbrush finish effect. Let's see. Hindi ako maglalagay ng concealer dito sa akin under eye area. Dinagdagan ko lang ng foundation. So, ito na yung half. Ito na yung part na merong foundation. Ito na yung wala. So, probably you can see in my case, full coverage siya. Kasi natanggal niya yung mga freckles ko. May mga freckles ako dito eh. Freckles na yung tawag na. So, babalik ako ulit. Tatapusin ko lang. Lalagyan ko to ng foundation. There's no distinct smell sa product na to, which is a plus sign for me. So, yun. Babalik ako. Tatapusin ko lang yung makeup. Aantayin ko din makapag-set yung foundation until I go through my thought. So, I am done with my eye makeup and lip makeup. Lagyan na natin ng... Oh, before that, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Nakikita nyo ba? Yung sinasabi niyang airbrush finish. Hold on. Medyo hindi ko siya gusto kasi parang... sobrang kapal niya. Sobrang kapal niya na parang ano na siya. Na parang medyo cakey yung effect niya for me. Paano ko ba ito papakita sa inyo? Hold on. Ayan. Kita niyo ba? Ayan, kita niyo ba? Ayan. Parang medyo nagiging cakey. O parang nakikita niyo yung airbrush effect ba yun? Pero parang hindi ko siya masyado type. Kasi parang matanda yung effect. Parang tumanda yung skin ko. Ayun. Anyways, gagamitin natin itong Fanny Serrano Organza Color para i-seal yung product. Naset na din naman pala yung foundation sa skin ko. Naset na siya kasi, ayan, dry na yung effect. Dry na yung feeling niya. So, yan yung foundation. And yung blush. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold up yung blush throughout the day for me. It's 1:59, almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'll see you in a while. It is 6:44 p.m. and I could say, syempre, nag-set na yung foundation. Ayan. The last time na sinabi ko is parang matanda yung texture niya. I would say na yun yung airbrush finish effect niya. Medyo nag-cake siya dito sa area na to, tsaka dito. Kasi meron akong mga wrinkles, tapos dito yung mga fine lines ko. Pero probably you can see yung foundation or yung blush ko pala is okay pa. Yung highlight is okay pa din siya, no? Wala akong blotting paper, so ang gagawin ko, kukuha ako ng tissue na ganito. 2-ply tissue to eh. So, ang gagawin ko, tatanggalin ko yung isa lang yung gagawin ko. And, ito. dito ako naging oily, napansin ko din yun kanina. Since dry naman talaga yung skin ko as of the moment, I don't expect na sobrang magiging oily yung face ko even with this foundation. I will get back to you at the end of the day to see my verdict on this foundation. It is 8:38 in the evening, so it's almost 7 hours kung sinuot yung foundation. As probably you can see the blush and the contour that I made. Okay pa rin yung foundation. It looks very airbrush talaga. I didn't even retouch nor put anything aside from blinat ko lang yung kanina. Overall, bibiling ko pa ba yung foundation? I would probably say I would skip it. Uubusin ko yung matte, pero hindi na ako bibili ng foundation. Hindi siya pang everyday makeup in my opinion. Pang special occasion yung foundation. I would say na 3.5 out of 5 itong foundation na ito for me. Thank you so much for watching and sana nagustuhan niyo yung first review. Bye-bye po! Antok na si Sofia. Bye-bye po!